Welcome to the Farmer's Ledger, where we don't sugarcoat the muddy truth of market gardening. Most small-scale gardeners fail because they copy industrial farms, tilling, over-fertilizing, and expecting spreadsheets to grow crops. The result? Wasted space, time, and money. If you want profit, not just production, you need a smarter approach, one that turns overlooked processes into real income. Ready to stop playing farmer and start running a profitable micro-enterprise? Let's dig in. Let's start with seeds. Generic, store-bought seeds rarely thrive in your unique conditions. The real winners are plants that survive and set seed in your own garden. They're locally adapted champions. Save and sell these seeds. Gardeners will pay a premium for what actually works in their climate. Every packet is a promise of resilience, and that's valuable. Build a reputation for reliability. Your seeds stand out because they're proven locally. This isn't just a side hustle. It's a legacy you can grow season after season. So, next time you save seeds, remember, you're sitting on a gold mine. Now let's talk about soil. Urban gardeners crave living, microbe-rich soil, not lifeless bagged dirt. Make and sell custom soil blocks packed with beneficial microbes and local amendments. These blocks boost plant health and command premium prices. Offer blends for different crops and watch customers return season after season. You're not just selling soil, you're selling a shortcut to success. Grow soil, sell it, and become the go-to source for thriving gardens in your community. Let's get squirmy. Red wigglers turn kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich worm castings. Black gold for gardeners. Sell castings or brew worm tea for a high-value recurring product. Local gardeners and restaurants will subscribe for regular deliveries. Start small, scale up, and enjoy steady, low-overhead profits. You're closing the nutrient loop and turning waste into wealth. Worms might just be your most valuable employees. Let's talk vegetables, but focus on herbs. Most veg is low margin, but herbs like basil, chives, and mint are high profit per square foot. Chefs and foodies pay top dollar for fresh, nutrient-dense herbs. Rapid turnover and fewer pests make herbs efficient and reliable. Grow year-round with hydroponics or vertical systems. Build relationships with local chefs and offer unique blends. Loyal customers and repeat orders follow. Herbs are the cash crop hiding in plain sight. Let's talk about time. Perennials like elderberries and figs deliver harvests year after year with minimal effort. Propagate and sell young plants. Local nurseries and homeowners want hardy, proven varieties. Margins are high and the work is front-loaded. Perennials also boost garden resilience and ecosystem health. Customers buy years of harvests, not just a plant. Smart gardening, smart business. For efficiency, nothing beats microgreens. These tiny plants yield big profits in minimal space, harvest in just days, stack trays vertically, and outproduce a whole backyard of lettuce. Chefs and health-conscious customers crave variety and freshness. Offer weekly subscriptions for steady income. Low startup costs, high returns. With microgreens, you maximize every inch for profit. Your most valuable asset. Your expertise. Beginners will pay for guidance to avoid costly mistakes. Offer consulting and turnkey garden setups, raised beds, irrigation, permaculture layouts. The real value is your knowledge and time saved for clients. Start local. Expand through word of mouth and partnerships. Upsell maintenance and troubleshooting for recurring revenue. Package your services and make it easy for clients to say yes. Turn your passion into a thriving consultancy. Centralized agriculture is fragile. Local, resilient systems are essential. Your backyard can be engineered for value, not just calories. Stop treating your garden like a hobby. Make it a powerhouse of profit and resilience. Subscribe to the Farmer's Ledger and share this video if you're ready to innovate. The future belongs to those who adapt and refuse to settle for less. Let me know if you need further tightening or want to adjust the tone.